Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Corey Gibson.
And I'm Christy Gibson, and we're a husband and wife photography team.
Recently we did a photo shoot, kind of a post-apocalyptic style shoot involving various props like smoke bombs and gas masks, and it was a lot of fun. So
kind of a modern punk look.
Right. So we're going to kind of go behind the scenes and show you a little bit how we did that, and I'll show you some finished images
throughout
the
video.
And we'll check back in afterwards.
And at the end, we'll go ahead and give you a little bit of an idea of how we did it. And if you're interested at all in photography, then stay tuned. Alright, so that's basically how a photo shoot would go with us. We do a lot of photo shoots. We love doing photo shoots, and fantasy shoots are our favorite because you play with all the fun stuff like smoke bombs and hair and makeup. And I do all the hair and makeup and styling, costuming. This time I also did the modeling, but I don't always do the modeling. In fact, we have a couple coming up where we actually have a model, which is always fun too. But when I'm not modeling, I will do second camera and shoot as well. And we kind of play off each other in that and kind of get different angles at the same time, which is very helpful.
Yes.
And but this time it was all this guy. He had to do all the photo. I had to just stand there, so it was all on him. And I'll let you tell you about what he did in that aspect.
Yeah, so we've been planning this shoot for quite some time, and we were sitting on the couch watching TV, and I happened to look at the weather report for the next day, and we had a fog advisory. And I thought that would be ideal conditions for this shoot in the woods behind our house. So I told Christy, I'm like, okay, we're going to shoot 6 a.m. And so we scrambled, got it together, and by the time we got out there and got everything set up, of course the fog was gone. But that's alright, it worked out. We were able to get the smoke set off and got some good pictures, started off with the flash, and as it got lighter, kind of transitioned away from that. And switch lenses, and if you want to learn more about that, just comment below, and maybe we can do a video on more specific
tutorial on actual lenses for what environment, what works better. Because some lenses you can use with the flash, some you can't use with the flash because of the speed.
The shutter speed's too fast. So, and then after we were done, we ended up with about 500 raw images that we put into Lightroom, and started the process of eliminating the ones that weren't very good. We had a lot of good ones. Did some batch editing, and then brought the final selected images up into Photoshop and did some final touches, and we ended up with about 30 edited images that we thought were good enough to share. And if you want to see more of those, go to our Instagram page, Facebook page.
Yeah, all Photo Gibby, which are linked below.
Right.
And we also would like, what we usually do is take the images that are clean and finished and then play with them a little bit more. Sometimes we do layering and some kind of fun, artsy and creative, finished images that, in fact, we'll show you one here, kind of an idea of what we're doing. And then on Instagram as well, but we would love to show you how to do that kind of stuff. It's not too difficult. It's a little time consuming. It's just detailed, but it's a lot of fun, and anybody could learn it. If you'd like to see a video on us doing that, we could also show you that. So if you have any questions or ideas, photo shoot ideas, or questions of like something you want to learn and you'd like to see a tutorial on, we would love to do that. So definitely throw the comments in there and interact with us a little bit, because that would be actually greatly appreciated. Helps us out too with some new ideas, and we love teaching other people how to do what we do. So it's
because I mean,
win-win.
That's how we learn, is following other photographers, other talented people in the industry,
Asking, collaborating.
Yeah, and so we want to kind of carry the torch and help other people out as much we can too. So
yeah, so give us a follow on Instagram. You can see all the completed images. We've been throwing those up over the last week or so, and we have another photo shoot coming up as well, very soon. Actually, we've got a couple lined up, and then we'll get those. We'll record those and also make sure we share all that with you guys as well. And like I said, Instagram linked below. Hit subscribe here on this channel, and hit the bell to notify you when we do upload those videos, because we're gonna try to upload as much as possible, as consistently as possible. So hopefully like once a week or so minimum. But the more feedback we get from you guys, the more encouraging it is for us to get these videos up and out. So thank you so much for checking us out and sharing this time with us. And welcome to the Photo Gibby family. If you subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.